Velocity, walang problema yan. No?
Oo.
Shooting touch yan magiging problema.
Oo. Yung control mo dyan, ano? Kevin Freeman, this... Hawkins against Terrence Badgett. Pinikutan lang. Gagamitin nga ba siya kung sakasakaling hindi this import doesn't pan out? Baka raw si Eric May gagawin ng import. Ito si Terrence Badgett, import to import. Badgett goes up and backs it in. Inside to Ordonio. And this time Ordonio knows what to do with it. Right?
Yan ang kagandahan ng PBA. No? They square it off at the hard court, but they're really good friends outside.
Dahil kaya ka nga kinuha as an import dahil dapat mas magaling ka sa amin. Di ba? Mas marami kang gagawin kaysa 11. Ito, Dindo Pumaren for the 3. Yes! Spectacular long distance shot. NDD activation. Badgett muscling his way inside.
Showing us all the moves.
Full kasintuloy, inabot niya. Nice pass break play pero hindi mas katira ni Ordonio pero ito naman.
May similarities, no?
Pero no. Kevin Freeman from the outside. Agado gets it back. Binigyan siya ng spasyo ni Bong Hawkins.
Saka Team Connie is hoping will deliver, no?
Kaya na naman si Kevin Freeman. Right and wide, but they've got to pick up some rebounds. Maganda nga yung depensa mo, pero you give them 3-4 shots.
Pumasok si Locsin for Hawkins.
Jason Webb, yung sinasabi ko. May outside shot na ito si Jason.
Nagpo-point guard dito sa last kasi sa...
Uy! Walang kapantay-bantay si Walkwist sa ilalim.
Defensive lob.
Ali Peak misses the jump. Walkwist gets it out to Rodney Santos. Another open shot. Shot clock reach 4. Ayan naman yung elevation nito si Kevin Freeman. Yan ang matutuwa ka. Jason Webb. Balik ulit kay Freeman for the 3-point shot from top of the key. Yes, man. Alalahanin po ninyo, ang average ito, mga 22 lamang per game. Kumanti naman si Terrence. Uy, mataas ang pasa pero nakuha ulit ni Don Tiveros. Titira na 3! Another spectacular line. So that, you know, you're aware of the situation.
They've started off a bit cold. And the shooting is a bit off.
Siguro pa. Jason Webb misses Ali Peak with a pitch. And Freeman takes it away from Badgett. And Badgett will be called for his 4th personal foul. Santos. Freeman looking around. Finds Zaldi Realubit. Short jumper by Zaldi. Yes, he usually. The 3-on-2 break here. Kevin Freeman to Dindo Pumaren. Yes. Nice cut there by Ali Peak. And the no-fear slam jam. Here's Don Tiveros from top of the key. That's his second division ni Don Tiveros para i-back up yung import as Arrigo finally drills in his own. And naman si Ontiveros. Yes! Still another PLDT NDD long distance shot. Alam niyo naman ito si Don. Blocks in offensively by Kevin Freeman gets it para sa tanda. Here comes Dindo Pumaren. Ontiveros na naman! Don Ontiveros already has... Ikaw may sabi niya na. Si Tommy Marotok mo nang sabi. Samantala, another 3-point shot. PLD side. Had to pass it off to John Ordonio with a nice follow through.
Evans, partner.
Magkamukha yan. Kenny Evans. Arrigo down the pass. Ordonio to Duremdes. Sumaksak sa loob. And the follow-up by Kenneth. Freeman 4-on-2. Freeman decides to go for it. Yes!
Really showing.
Una niya mga laro eh. Ali Peak, this time he gets away from Bonel Balingin. Aces. Ito si Ali Peak! Reverse, no fear, slam! Ordonio naman, pumasok din. Samantala, what a slam jam this is from Ali Peak.
Tanduay has to maximize.
Lako!
Panlima. Aksidente.
Another, pinalo ni Ali Peak sa likod si Bonel inside. Bonel Balingin can't hang on to it. Ordonio with a nice layup. Medyo sinolo naman niya rin masyado. Bong Hawkins sidestepping against Don Carlos Aliado. Cross-court pass. Durendes puts it up. Yes! At gets it to the front court. Dito Pumaren is open for the jumper. Yes! Ito si Ordonio. Off the glass. Yes! Hinihingi ng traveling siyang...
Disappointing all-Filipino partner.
That's right. Oh, ayan, si Ordonio na naman yun.
Doing everything, both sides of the floor.
Sabi natin nga dyan, if you get 3, 4, 5 attempts, bound to make one. Ayan na. Don Carlos. Jumper by Cariaso is good. Ito naman ang leader. Terrence Badgett with 5 personals. Talagang gigil tumulong para sa kanyang kupunan eh.
Out for a while.
Yeah, si Kevin Freeman medyo naun siya. Oh! Dito Pumaren.
Saying partner, they will double team Freeman. He's got to catch the open man.
Oo, yun. Nangyari yung kanina. Pero ito si John Ordonio, napansin mo nga, Coach Tommy, talaga namang kakaiba ang kinikilos dito.
Definitely leading his team, as I said, both in defense and offense. No?
By Kevin Freeman, or rather Durendes from the corner. Yes. Tanduay, Don Tiveros is back for Jeffrey Cariaso. A fast break play here by Tanduay. Freeman! Oh, what a shot by Kevin Freeman, off balanced in mid-air. Kumara looking at Bong Hawkins. Hindi pa ipasa ron. Binilabas kay Don Tiveros. Biglang tumira ng atras. Yes! That's a spectacular. Panglima yan ni Don Tiveros from 3-point land.
Talagang parang free throw sa kanya ngayon yung 3-point land.
Eh, nasabi nga natin, nabati natin nung bago mag-umpisa na parang on a slump. Itong si Don Tiveros, sabi niya, napansin niyo pala. Sige, I'll break out of the slump.
Narinig tayo.
No. Not necessarily a flashy player, but you can rely on him. You can depend on him. Ito mo naman yan. Ito mo naman yan. Yung sinasabi mo, Coach Tommy, na experience.
Experience, utak.
A 3-point play in reverse. Siya sa mga nagpahabol sa Alaska. Realubit. Oh! Kevin Freeman with a putback and a low-fear slam. 3-on-1. Kevin Freeman handing it up to Don Tiveros for the reverse layup. At lumalayo na
the shots of Alaska.
Arrigo fires a spectacular.
Off din itong import ng Alaska si Badgett.
On Tiveros from the outside. 2-point shot sapagkat tumapak sa linya. But on Tiveros already with 19 points in this game. Headed off and it's stolen by Badgett to Arrigo. Oh, nice layup. Nice fast break play by John Arrigo despite the...
Tama naman yung ginawa niya.
May disiplina rin. Oh, hey! Jason Webb scoring from the outside again. Ito yung sinasabi natin, nadi-develop ni Jason Webb yung kanyang outside shot. Meron talaga eh. Fast break ng Alaska Aces perfectly executed here. And John Arrigo, ayun, hindi na humabol sa Kevin Freeman. Sabi niya, sige, sa'yo na yan. So that on the slow-mo play brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it.
Pumasok yung Webb. Tinawag siya ulit.
Taga.
Derek.
Samantala, Rodney Santos hitting an activation call. 171. Dito ka, papasok lang ulit! Comes up with a spectacular long distance.
Yun!
Ito naman, nakawala na si Freeman with single. Badgett with the rebound. Up to Kenneth Durendes, hindi nakita si Arrigo eh. Pero sa okay lang, sabi ni Kenneth, kaya mo naman ito eh. Para sa Alaska Aces. Uy! Naagawan sa dindo ni John Ordonio. Ordonio to the front court. Freeman goes up. Taas talaga tumalun ito. Here's Kenneth Durendes. Inside to Badgett with an no-fair slam. Freeman, a new man. Si Kenneth Durendes. Badgett. Uy! That's a PLDT ND.
Second ship.
Ito, Bong Hawkins. Chapal Bulcasil ni John Ordonio forces Bong Hawkins into a jump ball situation. 43 seconds, yes.
Ordonio has played tonight, partner. He has shown us a lot of class, no, on both sides of the floor. Offense has picked up. He guarded the import, no, fairly well.
Matindi yung trabaho nito. Dealt Alaska its first defeat here in the Commissioner's Cup for 2001 as John Ordonio delivers from the outside.
One of his better games. Just in a losing cause, but leaves a bright note for Alaska that they have another player, no?
At lalo na sa point guard slot, no?
Correct.